Okay, I just wanted to share what's been cracking me up. Here's a spad baby, and then I show him, I got a really cool cover for my iPod, see, Mr. Owl, and check out his reaction. Hey Remy, who's this? Do you like Mr. Owl? Okay, okay. And then he gets kind of mad because it's not there anymore. And then I bring it back. Look at that. I think Remy is really wishing he could say, "That is so effing cool." Yeah, buddy? Is he your favorite? Me too. We both really like Mr. Owl. Okay, Remy, say goodbye.